Hey guys, Parker, Chris, John here.
We're back.
We're back, baby.
Yeah, we're going for muskie today.
Yeah, let's see what we can do, guys. It's a beautiful day. Sun's up. We just we did one drift, nothing yet, but see what happens, man.
Just a small note, guys. They left me out on the shirt deal here.
Yeah.
You haven't noticed?
Yeah, we got matching shirts
Yeah,
now.
we got matching handlebars.
Where's mine?
Chris was kind of an afterthought today. He had plans to go with his wife, and then she couldn't make it, so he decided to...
An afterthought, just like when they bought the shirts.
You! Anyways, guys, let's go bang some fish. Ah! Ah!
Did you get hooked?
Yeah, where was that?
You stepped over it.
Oh, right here. That hook came right through, eh? No. Oh, maybe.
Oh yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Right there.
Hey guys, tough day, man. We ended up getting skunked. Parker's first time out getting skunked, so different experience, eh?
Yeah, it's alright.
What do you think, Chris? What happened today?
Welcome to the world of muskie.
Yeah, absolutely nothing happened today, guys, for us, but you get those days every now and again, so it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Be positive, and hopefully the next show we'll have some fish in it. Forget what they look like after today.